Hey everyone, it's Mel from the 441 and I have decided to do another video today. So in today's video we are going to be talking about the astrological houses. So again I'm working with the Star Code Astro Oracle by Heather Rowan Robbins as my little visual aids. So the houses are where the planets fall on your astrological chart, and they kind of tell you how to work with those planets. So our first house is our arrival. This is where we are when we are born. It's our projection, our appearance, and our physicality. It's kind of that, you know, when you can tell an Aries from an Aries, and somebody, what's the opposite of me? Say Aries is action, Capricorn is business. So you kind of get that dominant personality come true. Leo is like a natural born leader. A Pisces might be very emotional, a Taurus might be very grounded, etc. So that's your first house. It's kind of your personality. And it's the house that you arrive into. Then we have the second house, which is your resources. It's how you value money. It's your self-worth. It is your core values. So again, depending on the star sign, etc., your core values, if you're a Taurus, are going to be about nature and money. Your core values, if you're an Aries, could be about being true to yourself and your individuality. If you are a Capricorn, your core values will be about business and your money. Somebody else, it might just be your house, you know, your home. I am winging this. This is the part of the astrology that I don't know as well, so I hope I'm making sense. Third house is communication, how you communicate with the world. Some people prefer to talk, some people might be introverted, some people might be extroverted, some people prefer to write, some people prefer to record video like me, or talk over the phone, or what else is there? I think that is kind of all. Email. It is also your community, your siblings, your neighbors, your early schooling, and like I said, communication. I think there is another one that talks about your community. Maybe it's 4. So your fourth house is your home. It's your roots, it's your ancestry, and it is your father. So how much do you value your home? And again, that will depend on how many planets and astrology and like where all that falls. I think it was a bad idea to try and film 3 videos back to back in one day, because I can feel myself getting a bit tired and yawning. I might just spray some communication spray and see if that helps. So that was the Archangel Michael spray for protection and communication by Angelic Celestial Colors, Amanda Ellis. And I'll take a drink of water as well. And we'll see if that makes a difference. So yeah, fourth house is your home. And again, it plays on your planets and your star sign. Your fifth house is your passion, what you're passionate about. It's also creativity. It is play, children, romance, speculation. I love these cards. They're so beautiful. So what you are passionate about in your life, again, plays on the planets and everything. So that's where I'm going to, once I finish this, hopefully have enough homework done where I can kind of show you like how it actually clicks into place. Sixth house is sustainability. I know that's one of my core values without looking at my chart. I love how that one's got the chakras. So it is your daily routine, your diet, your health, how you get on with people. It's animals, it's the environment, it's, you know, wanting to live a more sustainable life. Seventh house is your relationships. So your, you know, if you're going to get married multiple times, if you're going to have like one true love, and then your relationship to your friends and family. 8 is mystery. So that is your sexuality, your spirituality, any secrets. It also deals with other people's values and how you feel about how other people deal with their money and stuff. 9 is exploration. So adventure, travel, long distance travel. It could be like big education, philosophy, religion, and metaphysics. So, for example, if Aries and Jupiter, so if the astrology was that Aries was in the 9th house of travel while also Jupiter was in there, you would be one of those YouTubers that just travels around the world, and that is their biggest value, and they put YouTube videos on and share those experiences, for example. 10th house is authority. Respect my authority. So it is authority. It is also the career ladder, as you can see by your man climbing the mountain. It is career, social status, and it is a reflection of the mother, apparently. Yeah, so again, if you had Saturn, you'd probably feel doubled down by that authority. If you had Uranus in there, you'd probably be freaking out with the rebellion of authority. So then we have community, which is the 11th house. So like I said, it's got to do with where you choose to live and all that. It's your friends, it's your groups, it's the things that you have social causes with, it's your ideas and your hopes and how you communicate with others. That's wrong. Well, it's partially not wrong, because communication is house number 3. I'm sorry, it's because I'm getting tired. It's a similar theme though, because 11 and 3, so your siblings and your neighbors, your friends, and so it's got to do with friendships and everything again. And then 12, again with the chakras, is introspection, which is when you want to withdraw from the world, you want to meditate more. It's your dreams, it's your unconscious. It could be that you might be a bit delusional. Yeah. So that is very, very basic. Rushed through because I honestly don't know what I'm talking about with that one. It's the part that I need to learn more, so maybe we'll do a part 2. On that note, I'm probably going to stop filming here. I had thought about doing a video book review on Ramit Sethi's I'll Teach You to Be Rich and Core Values, which is the main thing I actually learned from that book. But I might stop and eat something, and if I have enough time before I have to go for Oisín for his appointment, I will jump back on and film one more video. So thanks a million for watching, guys, and I hope this helps somebody. Let me know if you know anything about the houses, or if you know someone who can help me learn a bit more about the houses. I'm hoping that when I finish reading Pam Gregory's book, I will have a deeper understanding for all this. But it's kind of cool, like, learning and passing on that information as I go. So yeah, let me know if you want to read the book with me and we could do like a book club or something. So I will let you guys go, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Cheers.